So if you have 5 of 6 disconnected, then you notice that one of them is previously broken. The tab is missing to pull on it. Kind of see there. Here's what a normal connector looks like. Pull up on the tab, and that connector has no tab. Basically, they operate having a little thing that just goes over this pimple here. So if you bend this plastic up using a small sharp screwdriver, you can get it under this broken connector side here. There we go. This connector has seen better days.